Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Play Store and then search for Game Booster for X Faster and then click on install and wait a few seconds. And after it's get installed, all what you have to do is just click on the open right here. So I'm gonna wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's very fast and it's not a heavy app. So all what you have to do after it get installed, click open like this, and now click on start right here. And after you click on start, now click here on add game and choose Roblox right here, enable it, and then go back. And as you can see, now all what you have to do is click on Roblox like this and wait a few seconds. As you can see, now it's boosting Roblox to max performance. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's completed. Very easy and fast. So after that, all what you have to do is just go back. And now I'm gonna go back, and yeah, now all what you have to do is just restart your Roblox and it's gonna be working good. Don't forget to like, subscribe.